Electric cars are the future of the world. They are not only more environmental friendly but are also more durable and long lasting. Now that car makers have gauged that electric vehicles are the future, many of them have started producing working on them. Even though the world is going through a global pandemic, many leading automobile companies have been proactively working on their e-cars. Here is a look at the e-cars that are aiming for a 2021 launch in India. Tata Altroz EV. Tata Motors had showcased the electric version of the Altroz premium hatchback at the 2020 Auto Expo. It is reported that the Altroz EV could be launched at the end of 2021 or early 2022. The electric hatch is expected to be equipped with the same powertrain that does duty in the Neon EV. The Nexon EV features an IP67 certified 30.2 kilowatt hour battery. The Nexon EV features an IP67 certified 30.2 kWh battery pack with a permanent magnet AC motor. Altroz EV's battery pack is expected to offer an electric range between 250 km and 300 km. The battery will be charged using DC fast charging as well as regular power socket. It might take around 60 minutes to get charged up to 80% using DC fast charging. The EV is also likely to get new Z Connect app for connected car features. Tata HBX EV. Tata Motors will produce the HBX micro SUV before the end of this year. The micro SUV will be offered in petrol avatar only. However, Tata is also working on the electric version of the small SUV. The electric model is expected to be produced in 2022. The mini SUV is likely to feature the Ziptron EV powertrain technology that also offered in the Nexon EV. The Ziptron EV powertrain comprises of a 30.2 kilowatt lithium ion battery pack offering a 129 bhp electric motor mounted on the front axle. The Nexon EV claims to offer a range of 312 km on a single charge. The HBX Micro XUV is expected to feature an updated version of the electric powertrain with a range of over 300 km. Mahindra eXUV 300. Mahindra had showcased the electric version of the XUV 300 compact SUV at the 2020 Auto Expo. This SUV is reportedly to be launched by 2022. The Mahindra eXUV 300 will directly rival the country's best-selling Tata Nexon EV. Previous reports claim that the XUV 300 electric will have a range of 375 km on single charge. It will be offered in two variants, with standard variant offering a range of around 200 km. The long range variant, which will have a range of about 375 km, which is significantly higher than the Tata Nexon EV. Based on the MES MA350, that is Mahindra Electric Scalable and Modular Architect 350 platform, the eXUV 300 will get an in-house development 350 volt powertrain that supports a wide range of electric motors ranging from 60 kilowatt to 280 kilowatt output, dual motor setups and batteries up to 80 kilowatt hour capacities. Mahindra eKUV 100. The Mahindra eKUV 100 micro SUV will be launched by the end of 2021 or early 2022. It will be positioned against the Tata HBX EV. The Mahindra eKUV 100 is expected to be most affordable electric SUV in the country, which will powered by a 40 kilowatt electric motor that produces 53 kilowatt of power and 120 Newton meter of torque. The mini SUV has a 15.9 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery pack that will offer a range of 120 km on a full charge. Mahindra will offer the vehicle with both standard and fast charging options. The e-tron. The luxury car making company confirmed the launch of e-tron along with e-tron Sports Pack in India in 2021. This will be Audi's first electric car launched in India. Both these variants come equipped with two electric motors that generate 355 bhp and 561 Nm of peak torque. The car offers an impressive range of 452 km on a single charge. One mind-blowing aspect of this four-wheeler is that its powerful 95 kWh battery pack can be entirely charged in 8.5 hours using a regular charger. Mercedes-Benz EQS. The vehicle, which was revealed last month, has been listed on the official India website of Mercedes-Benz. This gives hopes to Indian buyers regarding the launch of this fancy car here. The all-new Mercedes-Benz EQS will be made available in two models, including EQS 450 Plus and EQS 580 4MATIC. The EQS 450 Plus is the basic variant, while the EQS 580 4MATIC is the top trim. Porsche Taycan. In an absolute delight for luxury car buyers, Porsche's upcoming electric sports car is going to be based on their much hyped Porsche Mission E concept. The fancy four-wheeler will be a home to the much awaited car will give its buyers an impressive range of over 500 kilometers per charge. If this has not left you impressed, then the fact that the car can go from 0 to 100 kmph in under 3.5 seconds will surely leave your mind blown. Tesla Model 3. This will be Tesla's first electric car that will be made available in India. The brand will be setting up their India headquarters in Mumbai, while the production will be based in Karnataka. The much awaited four-wheeler can cover a distance of up to 500 km per charge and can go from 0 to 100 km in 3.1 seconds flat. Volvo XC40 Recharge. The delivery of Volvo XC40 Recharge in an appropriate will begin from October 2021. The car will come in a completely built unit model to India and will be equipped with a dual motor powertrain with 150 kilowatt electric motors on axle. It will generate an impressive 402 bhp and 660 Newton meter of peak torque. The car can go from 0 to 100 kmph in 4.9 seconds. Aura R1 electric car. China's car manufacturer Great Wall Motors is going to introduce its vehicle in India for the first time. With this, company is all set to enter into the Indian electric car market. At the Auto Expo, Great Wall Motors will introduce some SUVs and an electric car, Aura R1. Company claimed it as cheapest car in the world. Aura R1 will get connectivity features with artificial intelligence system, which can be activated by saying "Hello Aura." The company can guarantee 3 years or 1.20 lakh kilometer or 8 years or 1.50 lakh kilometer with Aura R1 electric car. If we talk about the motor, then it is going to be fitted with permanent magnet synchronous. Charging time is 9 to 10 hours and DC fast charge 80% in an hour. Range or mileage is 300 to 350 kilometers per charge. Launch time is July 2021. Expected price is 6.30 to 8.30 lakh. Renault Kwid EV. Renault has unveiled the Kwid EV at previous Shanghai Motor Show in China. Renault Kwid EV is based on the KZE concept, which is smallest yet from the fresh automaker. The Renault City KZE is based on the same CMF platform. However, visually the Renault City KZE is identical to the Kwid and also shares some elements from the concept vision. Renault has no plans to launch this EV car in India now, but industry moving towards majority electric cars, it can be possible anytime in India. Renault could be a game changer once launched in India. Its charging time is 4 hours and DC fast charge 80% in 40 minutes. Launch time is sometime in 2022. Expected price is between 5 to 7 lakh. Jaguar Land Rover India is a luxury car maker company owned by Tata Motors. Jaguar already unveiled its all an electric luxury sedan car Geneva Motor Show 2018 and said that it has no plan to launch in India, but now company chalked out a plan as Indian market will be a biggest market for Indian electric cars across the world. Jaguar I-Pace SUV could be launched in India anytime and it will compete with Audi e-tron in luxury car segment. The I-Pace looks very premium and luxury as company very well known for it. The car range is around 480 km expected, while the powerful can reach 0 to 100 kmph in just 4.5 seconds. Tesla Model 3. Tesla's best selling and most affordable model yet. Model 3 is set to make India's first debut in 2021, and Tesla's arrival was confirmed by none other than Union Minister Nitin Gadkari. Tesla will import completely built units. The car will have the capacity get charged up in 15 minutes and will have a change of 500 km with a top speed of 162 km per hour. Its expected price is 55 lakh to 60 lakh. Expected launch date is July 2021 and is going to be competition for Jaguar I-Pace Lexus ES Hybrid. Maruti WagonR Electric. Maruti WagonR, one of the most popular Maruti cars in India, will have an electric version soon in India. The car was expected to be launched in India but was delayed because of its high cost and the coronavirus pandemic. Not much is known about the car, but it is expected to be launched in 2021. Expected launch date is September 2021. Nissan Leaf, styled as Leaf, is a compact 5-door hatchback battery electric vehicle manufactured by Nissan. It was introduced in Japan and the United States in 2010. Now, this model is going to be launched by Nissan in India in mid 2022.